oh no, you put one of these varnishes on polymer clay and it's sticky. Well, unfortunately, this just happens. These two brands actually are ones that cause some problems. This happens with paint as well. It's a chemical reaction. It is very brand specific, so a different brand of clay may have different results. If it happens to you and you need to get that varnish off of there, you can sometimes remove it if it's a real thin coat. You can remove it with a little bit of rubbing alcohol. If that doesn't work, or if it's super, super sticky, like goopy, like scrape it off with your fingernails sticky, then it's a lost cause. You're not going to be able to get that off of there. But if it's just a tiny little bit sticky, you can cover it with a clay-safe varnish. A couple that work really well would be Varathane, Bright Tone, and Clear Gloss. Those are all very good clay-safe varnishes that you can use to cover slightly sticky varnishes on polymer clay.